Good morning, everyone. Today's we are going to discuss a new topic, that is shikimic acid pathway. What is the shikimic acid pathway? So shikimic acid pathway is convert simple carbohydrate precursors derived from glycolysis and the pentose phosphate pathway to the aromatic amino acids like L-phenylalanine, L-tyrosine and L-tryptophan. Okay. Shikimic acid is an intermediate product in the pathway and it is present in plants, fungi and bacteria but not found in animals. As animals do not synthesize these phenylalanine, tyrosine and tryptophan amino acids, these are classified as essential nutrients in animal diets. Natural products derived from shikimic acid ranges in complexity from the very simple products like vanillin, used primarily as a flavoring agent, salicylic acid, which is used as a precursor of aspirin, lotion, a naphthoquinone used in some sunscreens, which is a more complex natural product like lignin, lactone, podophyllitoxin. Actually, shikimic acid pathway also generates cinnamates, common phenyl propanoids. In essential oil include methyl chavicol, methyl eugenol, methyl cinnamates, vanillin, lignin and flavonoids. Now come to the pathway which is shown in the step by step reactions. Actually, I told you shikimic acid pathway is starting from the glycolysis pathway, which is converts the simple carbohydrates into the pyruvates or other products. Okay. Now the sugar molecule which is converting into the phosphoenol pyruvic acid. Phosphoenol pyruvic acid is reacting with erythrose 4-phosphate, that means phosphoenol pyruvic acid and erythrose 4-phosphate, which is reacting with yeast together and makes a compound which is 2-keto 3-deoxy 7-phospho D-glycoheptonic acid, and this product which is 2-keto 3-deoxy 7-phospho D-glucoheptonic acid is converting it to the 3-dehydroquinonic acid. Okay, this is a next step of the reaction. 3-dehydroquinonic acid is after the reaction is converting into the 3-dehydroshikimic acid, and 3-dehydroshikimic acid is converting into the shikimic acid, and after the shikimic acid reaction it converts into the shikimic acid 3-phosphate, which is also known as crosmic acid. Okay, this is crosmic acid, and crosmic acid is converting into prephenic acid. This is prephenic acid and anthranylic acid. Crosmic acid is converting into, divided into two steps, which is anthranylic acid and prephenic acid. Prephenic acid is converting into a phenyl pyruvic acid after the reaction. After the reaction of phenyl pyruvic acid, it converts into phenylalanine, and phenylalanine is converting, phenylalanine is converting into the prephenic acid. After the prephenic acid reaction, it converts into para-hydroxyphenyl pyruvic acid, which is finally makes tyrosine. So the reaction is starting from the phosphoenol pyruvic acid and erythrose 4-phosphate and makes finally tyrosine. And the second step, which is anthralinic acid, which makes from the prismic acid, is converting into the tryptophan. Okay, tryptophan. These the two products finally makes tryptophan and tyrosine, which is makes from the carbohydrate, and this pathway is known as the shikimic acid pathway. Thank you.